Good morning, virtual friends and magical family, Facebook and Instagrammers. It's me, Rhonda Kuykendall-Jabari, Reiki Master Teacher, Certified Chakra Therapist, Aroma Healer, and Ritualist. Today's Burn and Brew is featuring a beautiful incense that was sent to me by a Facebook friend, Kelly Rubin, who is also the founder of DowHouseCreative.com. And as always, I've selected this fragrance after asking permission from the ancestors of my altar. I always do this every day by silently asking if this is the correct vibration for today's intentions. And they respond by communicating through my pendulum. Clockwise is a yes answer and counterclockwise is no. And I'll show you exactly how that's done. Here's the pendulum. And as you can see, I'm getting a very big approval here. So thank you, Kelly, for this wonderful selection. I can't wait. I haven't tried it yet. Oh my God. Look at that energy. That's awesome. Okay, so today's incense is called Terminus, and it's from Lao Tzu's Apothecary. Beautiful packaging here. And it was sent to me as a sample from Kelly, who's a Facebook friend, as I've mentioned before. So I'm just going to open this up here. The description says that this is a strange, layered blend rooted in black copal for use when marking endings or expressing deep gratitude for life's gifts, which I do every day in terms of gratitude. Let's see. I'm getting the package here. Wonderful. So just bear with me. And thank you all for following my daily burn and brews. I know that sometimes I get a little behind, but this is a ritual that I practice every day. I just don't always catch it on video or on camera. And the other thing that I want to point out here is that mine is a working altar. So what you see here is that I'm charging a batch of Moya's Belly Rub, which is a proprietary blend of essential oils that I prepare for Moya Body Care, and they do colon hydrotherapy and yoni steams. So we're healing women one at a time. Here we are. Oh, that's very nice. This is kind of a sweet and smoky blend. Again, it's called Terminus, and you can get it at DowHouseCreative.com. That's TAO housecreative.com, and its creator is Kelly Rubin. And then once I light my incense, I also like to get a secondary approval from the ancestors if it's one I've never burned before. And as you can see, again, we're getting a great big swing of approval. So thank you, Kelly, for today's burn and brew. And oh, this is so exciting. This is really lovely. You will be hearing from me, Facebook friends and virtual friends and family. If you'd like to learn more about my rituals, you can join my Facebook group, Powerful Rituals for Self-Care and Insightful Living. And again, that's on Facebook. Look forward to seeing you soon. In the meantime, stay in the light.